Okay guys, so now that Brandon's gone, yeah, I don't know why I'm feeling so nervous here. Obviously we know that Brandon's got the ability to pass the driving test, but with anyone it just takes that one moment here, those few seconds of switching off, and yeah. And even with the new system where we just have to wait for them here, and we're not sure when they're going to come back, because obviously if they do make a mistake then they'll be back early, and so yeah, we just have to hang around and just straight around the test centre. Fingers crossed. Let's hope he does it. Yeah, let's hope he does it. Okay guys, so Brandon has just pulled up. He has come back early, so it doesn't look good at all. Let's find out what he's doing. Okay Brand, so before we tell everyone the result, let me just fix the camera up.
Hooray! So this course really filled my knowledge gaps and I became more confident.
After watching some of the videos on the course, I felt really comfortable with the extra knowledge.
Before I passed my driving test, I was really nervous. It really helped me have more confidence, and I would take what I learned during the course into my lessons and really aid that.
The videos obviously help you because you're going into that lesson knowing exactly what you're going to do, and just having that knowledge just makes that lesson faster and you feel a lot better.
38 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are not just theory based, they are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving off and stopping a vehicle to all of the maneuvers and every other module required. So if you're lacking knowledge, or maybe your instructor has forgotten to cover something, or you're just not grasping a certain topic, then this course has it covered. You can watch the videos before your driving lessons, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save you time on your lessons.
Okay, so right guys, Brandon is back from his driving test, and yeah, like I just said, he's come back about 25 minutes into the test, so about 10 minutes early, which is never a good sign. And yeah, Brandon, you want to tell everyone what's happened? Did you pass or fail?
I failed. Everything in the test was perfect. I'm not even lying. Everything in the test was perfect. Had no nerves. I was calm as everything. My clutch control was amazing. Junctions amazing. There were times where like people would pull out when they shouldn't have pulled out, and I dealt with it exceptionally well. My clearance and planning ahead was fantastic. I'm not just spouting nonsense. The one problem which gave me the serious fault,
The one mistake, yeah?
the one mistake, I come off a junction and I'm heading onto the tram lines, and to me it was like really big, so I mistook it for a dual carriageway. But I didn't go like fast straight away. I started going and I went over the speed limit for for a few seconds, for a period of time that was deemed.
Yeah, so basically guys, he was on a 30-mile-an-hour road, and he thought that the speed limit was higher there, and he was doing about, I think the examiner said 35 miles an hour for a continuous period of time. Yeah, and so that was the fault. So yeah, not the result that we wanted, but stuff like this happens. Yeah,
I'm not sad. I'm not upset.
I am actually really sad. I am actually really sad. I don't like when anyone fails, yeah, but
I'm not sad, because if anything, it was a test, and I understood that it wasn't as bad as I thought it was, and everything about the test was fine. Yeah. I'm just disappointed.
Even the examiner, how did you find the examiner?
Calm.
Yeah.
She was nice.
She was really good, smiling, joking about at the start. At the start of the test, the examiner asked Brandon, would you like to know anything about the test? And he said to her, he goes, oh, could you tell me which route I'll be taking? And obviously she started having a laugh about that, yeah. And yeah, but just that fault with the speed.
Yeah. It's my own fault. I I did go a little quick, and then I realised I was like, and she said at the same time, I was like, yeah, this is over.
So yeah,
Everything was perfect, to be honest.
it's like what do we do now? We look for a cancellation, and we just try and get. Obviously, it's a lot more difficult to get earlier test dates at the moment, but yeah. Well,
If you fail,
we'll
though, can you go in like?
No,
it
you-
has to be like over a week, doesn't it?
What you mean? You don't have any kind of priority, but yeah, you have to wait 10 working days before you can come back for your driving test. Yeah.
Working days and not Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. Okay. So so this even this result here, yeah, like I said, it's not what we wanted, but this happens with many learners everywhere. Yeah, they make one mistake, and we obviously they end up failing the driving test. Yeah, and from day one, we've never been like cutting out footage, or we've totally followed your journey. I could have easily not put this up. Yeah, and yeah, when you pass next time, totally faked it, that was your first time or whatnot, but we're never going to do that.
You know what was crazy as well? She never mentioned there was no minors. Everything was amazing.
Yeah,
Nothing was mentioned.
I did ask, she said that was the only fault.
Exactly,
It
and
was all going good.
Speed like this, like over speed, has never been a problem in the past. How long? And I've been slowing my speed down, and then all I remembered was clear road. Let's build the speed up, and I built the speed up a little too much.
But that's what always happens. It's like, you know, anything that you feel you're not 100%, like you said, hills, the meeting situations, we worked on that. You keep an eye on that. Yeah, it's always something else that crops from the day if a student does fail. Yeah.
That's why I'm frustrated.
But-
Speed out of everything.
For me, it's like one of the worst feelings. You know, when one of my students fails, I just like,
So this isn't on you. This is everything that I did was perfect. It was just me, speed. That's that.
it happens. So yeah, let's get a test date and let's book. Let's hopefully we can get a test date quite quick and go for it again. But yeah, we know you're like, it's not. It was nothing that we can say. Oh, we need more practice on this, or it wasn't that kind of fault, was it?
No, because before the lesson today, everything was good.
Did you have time to do your manoeuvre yet or not? Did you do a manoeuvre?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's why I was like, when I saw we were coming back the test route, I was like, she's gonna make me turn right now, isn't she?
Yeah, but as soon as she asked you to slow down, yeah, so
Yeah.
the examiner did ask you to slow down.
Yeah, that's when I knew it was like
That's it.
over.
Okay, so that's it.
Mhm.
Yeah, we go again. Alright then, guys. So yeah, like I said, not the result that we wanted, but we always appreciate you guys with your support, and yeah, show Brandon some love. I know he's saying he's not like sad in that, but yeah, some nice comments would be okay for him. Yeah, better luck next time. Yeah, okay, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.